Developers building systems with IPFS typically use one of many different service providers. These service providers will give you a dedicated gateway to actually retrieve the content from their system. Leto helps you take analytics on any of these dedicated gateways. Read more about it in our docs. So log into Leto and navigate to Proxy Gateway. Here you'll input your gateway name and choose your provider. For this example, we'll be using my Pinata Gateway. And click Create. So now here you can see my gateway that's been built on top of my dedicated Pinata Gateway, and an example of how to actually set up the syntax for calling this data through the Leto Gateway. So let's test it out. So I copied my link. I'll add /IPFS to the end. And here I'll go to Pinata and take my CID and paste it here. So as you can see, we're using the Leto Gateway that was just created with the CID at the end for the data that I have in Pinata. The Leto Gateway will call this data, pull it up for you, and then record the analytics. It's that easy to get started taking analytics on any kind of content served through Pinata or any other of the providers we support. And then here you can actually input the data, the CID that you would like to track, and visualize the analytics. So here we can see how many times it was accessed and when it was last accessed. You can also pull this data through the Leto Analytics API to display the analytics within a front end or to your end users within a social app or some kind of other experience.